Mochung'ne doho e pacho ka biro bedo e romo mar lokruok mar kor lwasi okang' mokwongo bang' thuolo mar higni 27 mar chopo e romo ma kamano. Ogai mar doho Martha Koome geno ni biro chopo e piny Dubai mar chiwo twak ne jodito mopogore opogore e wi ber mar riwo doho e twak ma kamago. Jong'ad buche mag doho mar alwora kotelne gi jang'ad bura Oscar Ngote osechopo e piny mar Dubai kendo yuore rombe mopogore opogore los chenro mar romo mar COP28 bende koro oriwo lwedo dwaro mar nywako sectors mopogore opogore.
Exactly what climate change is all about, and actions that the governments are agreeing upon, then it will be very difficult to resolve those issues. As an environmental planning division, which specifically is geared towards dealing with the environmental cases, and climate change is one of those environmental cases that the court is going to deal with. Indeed, we already have cases which address the issues of climate change. We've dealt with the issue to do with the forest and logging. Forest and logging goes hand in hand with the issues to do with climate change. We have a pending case in Iten, Environmental Land Court, where the residents of Baringo have filed a claim seeking for several reliefs pertaining to the rising of Lake Bogoria and Lake Baringo.
Tukue na involvement ya parliament kuhakikisha kwamba laws zinatengenezwa, tukue na executive iko pale ndani kuhakikisha kwamba ina implement kulingana na vile treaties na kila kitu yale ambayo yamekubaliwa, na hivyo tukue pia na our laws, judiciary and everyone needs to come together because the climate change affects all of us, so that involvement of everyone is